Okay guys, this is YouTube and let's search for this channel. So this is the channel, and as you can see, the subscriber count is public. So you can see the subscriber count, 357 subscriber. So we are going to hide the subscriber count. So let's go. Okay guys, now go to your browser, Google Chrome, and go to your YouTube Creator Studio. So this is the YouTube Creator Studio and this is my dashboard. Now scroll down and click on settings. Click on setting and click on channel. And then click on advanced settings. Then scroll down and below subscriber count, I have to disable this button, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So you have to disable it by clicking on this button. So that is it. Now click on save. Settings saved. So that is it. Now let's check for the YouTube channel. Let's go back to YouTube and check for the channel. So guys, as you can see, the subscriber count is no more visible. So you can see there's no more the subscriber count. So this is how to hide subscriber count on YouTube.